Are you an Indian Army officer?
I am, sir.
What is your number?
My number is EC 54468.
What is your name?
My name is Second Lieutenant Indrajit Sharma.
हक़ाइक़ पर मबनी ख़बरें, तज्ज़िये और तबसरे देखने के लिए पाकिस्तान डेली न्यूज़ को सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि आपको हर नई आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे और वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें। शुक्रिया।
Your rank, please.
My rank is Second Lieutenant.
Second lieutenant. Can you tell us which unit you belong to?
I belong to 3 para.
3 para battalion.
Yes.
What is your formation?
We are from Para Brigade.
Para brigade. When you were captured, how were you treated?
I was treated quite nicely, and I have been looked after like a guest.
How were you treated en route?
Very nicely.
How are you now?
I'm quite comfortable.
Do you want to say anything or convey to your people regarding your health or welfare?
No, it was really very nice of you. I've already written a letter to my parents regarding my health and all. I'm really happy, and I don't know why didn't I smile during conversation.
You are camera conscious.
You must be having some children.
No, I am bachelor.
Bachelor. You have mother and father.
My father's died this year.
Well then, wish you good luck.